Hi Botswana, my name is Tamia Frank. Today I'm here again to be doing TV presenting, and I hope that you'll keep on voting for me. TV presenting has been everything to me. It has given me an opportunity to explore my feelings to everybody and my emotions. So please keep on voting for me. Have you all been wondering where people are every Saturday at 6 p.m? Well, it's Gemstone. It has come from overseas in Africa and now it's in Botswana. It has given you opportunities to come and audition to be TV presenters, singers, dancers, and modelers. People, please come and audition in President Hotel from 10 p.m. until 4 p.m. Gemstone is waiting for you. Thank you.